Waszkiewicz
Correct.
of Randolph Engineering, CEO and President, and Chief Image Officer, I'll call you, because you make great sunglasses, correct?
Yes, we do.
So, Vash, why don't you tell us about the business? How did you get into it? What does it do?
The business was founded in 1972. We're an American manufacturer of quality handcrafted eyewear. My father started the business. He founded the business along with his partner
Right.
in 1972. The name of the company is Randolph Engineering. Doesn't sound like an eyeglass name,
Right.
because we started out as an engineering firm. My dad was a tool maker by trade, and he made optical tooling and equipment for the optical market back in the 70s. And in the mid to later 70s, we started noticing a trend of a lot of the manufacturers leaving and starting to import, going overseas to import their product instead of manufacturing in the States. I should say that back in the early 70s, 90+% of eyewear was actually and sold in the United States was manufactured in the United States, right in the Rhode Island, Attleboro area.
Right.
And today, less than 4% of eyewear is manufactured in the United States.
Is that due to cost?
Yes, a lot of companies went overseas to improve margin.
Now, excuse me, I referred to your first name from your last name. Your name is Peter, and I apologize.
That's quite all right.
I know this is not hard to believe. It's not the first mistake I've ever made on air.
No, with that last name, no.
No. Now, what has kept you in Randolph after everybody has left the country?
We take a lot of pride in manufacturing here in the United States. We love the product that we make. In the late 70s, we got involved in military contract work. We landed our first primary contract in 1982. We manufacture aviator sunglasses for our Armed Force pilots, Air Force pilots.
So I assume the quality of the lens must be without compromise.
Very tough, stringent specifications, absolutely. Took us a long time to build the quality control manuals that are needed to produce a quality sunglass for the U.S. military. After all, they're flying multi-million-dollar jets, can't afford to have a screw loose and a lens pop out in the middle of flight. So we were forced to build to very stringent specifications. We then took that story and decided to take it public with our own commercially branded sunglass line.
Right.
In the 80s, we basically built a line of classic American eyewear. Certainly the aviator pilot sunglass is our flagship item.
Now,